Wait, stop laughing because I need to concentrate.
Oh my gosh. My name is Uzy.
I'm Errol.
And today we're about to do a makeup look for Halloween, and it's called Beauty and the Bug. So let's see how this goes.
Hello.
Hey, it's Lulu and Bai, and we're here with Superdrug. We're filming a boyfriend does my Halloween makeup tutorial.
Yeah, we're going to try to film a makeup tutorial. So we are doing the catitude look, which is, I'm going to turn Lulu into a bit of a pussycat for Halloween.
Let's do it.
Do you even know what to start with?
I need some help.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so I have no idea what any of these are. I'll start with this paintbrush.
Oh,
what, no? Okay.
Yeah, in moderation. You need to rub it in.
Oh, is it like that?
Yeah.
Oh. For some reason, I'm painting like that.
so we've got a brow pencil
Okay.
with
Looks like a marker, it looks like a Sharpie.
and a brush.
Okay. And I just draw them on, do I?
Yeah.
Here we go. What, just like this? Alright, that wasn't meant to happen.
Beautiful. Look at that.
I didn't trust you.
What do you mean?
Wait, stop laughing because I need to concentrate. Alright, it's looking fierce.
like a cat?
Looking fierce, yeah, it's amazing. Right, you got one.
See that? Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Come on.
Not
Right,
even being too fast.
eyebrows done.
Okay, you need concealer
Concealer.
to highlight me. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I think next I'm going to start with your nose because that looks like the most fun part, alright? So, oh my
Do it
gosh.
neatly.
You're going to hate me. If you don't split up with me after this, you'll never done me.
Look at that. Come on. Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Actually did a good job.
I mean, it's not the straightest line I've ever seen, but under these circumstances, I'm going to say that's good to go.
Let's go with those first.
Alright, let's just bring them forward. I love this.
Right, so we're going to have to get someone on your lips now. You're still going to love me after this, no matter what. Promise?
Promise.
Alright, here we go. The more you laugh, the worse it gets, alright? That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you line lips. Look at that.
So what we're gonna use to do your...
This.
I can do some highlights in your eyebrow.
Okay.
Actually looks nice. I love it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't trust you.
Your bottom lip's bigger. It's more work. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, we're going to go for some whiskers and some dots.
Not whiskers,
apparently.
just dots.
I don't know what. I haven't seen a cat with dots before.
Should I put one coming out your ear?
No.
I don't know about these dots yet.
There we go.
Oh, there, that's it.
Your mascara.
Ooh. I always see you do this. I am so good.
Oh my god, that's just bringing tears to my eyes. How good that is.
You look really beautiful. This is good, man, right?
I want to do some contouring. I see everyone doing contouring.
Yeah.
So it's the lipstick now, right?
I think I can handle mascara.
So this is the final look, the Beauty and the Bug for Superdrug. Yeah.
I could not tell the difference. The big reveal.
Yes.
I'm excited.
No, what?
Oh my god, okay. My eyebrows are no.
What do you
But
mean?
you actually did alright. I'm not
What do you
gonna lie.
mean?
I'm not
What do you
gonna lie.
mean?
I'm surprised.
Oh my god, is there a cat in it? There's a cat! Perfect. Happy?
Yeah.
Happy. Do I get a kiss? Oh.
So this is my final look for the Superdrug Beauty and the Bug Halloween look, and done by Errol.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you Superdrug for having us on your channel today.
Yeah, thank you for letting me try out my skills. I really feel accomplished.
If you enjoyed this and you'd like to see more tutorials like this, subscribe. Woo woo.